Today I am converting this old feature wall that I did a couple of years ago to something a bit more teenage for my growing boy. So we're going to start by doing a covering up all of the green hills at the bottom of this wall with the same colour as the top. And then I'm going to use some masking tape, which I've very carefully measured and levelled and made sure is put on correctly and perfectly parallel. I'm going to put an undercoat of the top coat on, which is a darker blue. I'm going to do a second coat of this just to make sure it's beautiful and smooth. And then it's time to peel. And this is the fun part. After a few little touch-ups that I did by hand, it was done, and we both just love the result. Tell us what you think below.